Hello my friends and welcome to my class. Today I will teach you a Ukrainian dance move called Chort. This is one of the jumping tricks that requires coordination and power. The idea is to jump while turning with bent knees, keeping your legs in the same plane, as if you were sitting on the floor in mid-air. Let's get started. Step 1. First, sit on the floor in the Z position. Your right leg is forward and bent, and your left leg is bent behind you, forming the shape of the letter Z. This is the top position of the jump. Hit your right leg with your right hand, and your left leg with your left hand. Step 2. Jump as high as you can, and the top of the jump, hit the air with your hands, imagining that your legs are there. Step 3. Now combine the position from step 1 with the jump from step 2. First, try it without the hits. When you feel confident, add the hand hits. Step 4. Advanced. This move is performed in a turn. First, try jumping without the Z position. Your plie, which gives you power, should always be behind you, so the main jump travels forward. Use your arms to create the turning force. Don't forget to engage them. If you want to learn more tricks and Ukrainian dance moves, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.